77. A Sacred Journey. Deep within the heart of the earth, a mystical catalyst slumbers, awaiting the call of the seeker. This sacred ambassador from the unseen realms weaves its silken strands through the fabric of the soul, guiding the seeker home to earth's ancient wisdom and revealing the mystical truth that lies beyond reality's veil. As celestial forces converged, the new worm moon on 24 March 2024 enticed me with prophecies of profound transformation. Astrologers associated this rare lunar eclipse with intensified emotional experiences, unveiled concealed truths, and fated events that would reshape destinies. Divinity's gentle whisper spoke. Alyosika, I'm taking you deeper to the alchemical marriage of earth and spirit, where I desire to transform the leaden weights of your limitations into the gold of enlightened understanding. Trust me and follow where I'm taking you. On that night, within the secretive hours of the hidden moon, Keith and I sought the ancient wisdom of the silent sages deep within our souls. At the sacred altar of surrender, time stood still, and the veil between worlds grew thin. The soft glow of the many candles illuminated the path as wisps of sacred incense danced upon the air. As the boundaries of reality dissolved, the hidden patterns of the cosmos revealed themselves, guiding me through the great mystery. The symphony of the soul, a harmony of light and sound, carried me into the depths of the mystical realm, and I found myself at the threshold of the great remembering. The guardians of the underground revealed their mysteries, and I became one with the labyrinthine web of life. I embarked on a sacred journey. The hidden ones impart their wisdom, a distillation of the ages refined within the crucible of my soul. Their secrets, like delicate spores, take root within my heart, germinating into an understanding beyond words. I remember the ancient truths. A shamanic oracle card emerges, its image shrouded in mystery. Gurik's countenance gazes back, stirring the depths within me. My soul weeps, for I am not bound by my earthly vessel. Transcended to the realm beyond, I see all things revealed. Emotion surges, a tidal wave coursing through my essence, like contractions of the soul. I tremble, writhing in anguish, as laments pour forth like a libation to the sky. I cry out, my voice echoing through the chambers of my heart. I plead, I intercede, my very essence communing with the eternal. The pain of transformation grips me, like a woman in labor, as I birth a new reality. In this realm, I connect with Gurik's essence. Our bond is deep, our understanding profound. All is good. In that moment, understanding transcends knowledge. I surrender, bowing to the deep unknown. Tears fall, a cathartic release. It is done.